Hey everyone, if DroidCam isn't connecting over Wi-Fi, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to get your wireless connection working again. So let's get started. First, make sure your phone and computer are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. Yeah, if they're on different networks or different Wi-Fi bands, DroidCam won't be able to connect. Next, restart both the DroidCam app on your phone and the DroidCam client on your computer. Then reconnect and try again. A quick restart often fixes temporary network issues. Now check the device IP address and port number displayed in the DroidCam app. Enter those exact details into the DroidCam client. Even a small typing mistake can stop the connection. If it still doesn't work, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus and test the connection again. Sometimes security software blocks DroidCam from communicating over your local network. You should also restart your Wi-Fi router if the connection remains unstable. A fresh network connection can solve many wireless communication problems. Finally, make sure you're using the latest version of both the DroidCam app and the PC client. Updates often include bug fixes and improved network compatibility, and that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix DroidCam Wi-Fi connection issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.